Let us see the second sum in exercise 1.5. If ax square plus bx plus c is divided by x plus 3, x minus 5 and x minus 1, the remainders are 21, 61 and 9 respectively. Find a, b and c. They have given one quadratic equation to us. This number is divided by this term. It leaves the remainder. That also they have given. So we have to find the value of a, b and c. For that first we have to write the system of linear equation by using this. So I am going to take f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Suppose this quadratic equation is divided by x plus 3. See, x plus 3 equal to 0. This is the one factor of this. That time only it is divided by this term. This term is divided by this term. So x is equal to minus 3. So I am going to substitute the value of x is equal to minus 3 in this equation. A into minus 3 plus b into minus 3 plus c. Suppose this x plus 3 is divided by this term. Means this the remainder, what is that? 21. They have given the remainder 21. Okay. Second, f of here x minus 5. So x is equal to 5. F5 equal to a into 5 square plus b into 5 plus c is equal to what they have given remainder 61. F of x is equal to 1. X minus 1 they have given. So x is equal to 1. A into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c is equal to 9. We framed that system of linear equation. 3 square 9a minus 3b plus c is equal to 21. This is the equation 1. Second thing, 25a plus 5b plus c is equal to 61. This is equation 2. A plus b plus c is equal to 9. This is equation 3. From this equation, first we have to write the augmented equation, augmented matrix. Then we have to transform the augmented matrix into row echelon form. Nine minus 3, 1, 21, 25, 5, 1, 61, 1, 1, 9. First step I am going to interchange this R1 to R3. 1, 1, 1, 9. Second row as it is we have to write. Then first row 9 minus 3 1 1. Next step we should bring these two entries 0. So for that R2 minus 25 R1, R3 minus 9 R1. Just to find that R2 minus 25 R1. See 25 minus 25 into 1, 0. Here R2 5 minus 25 into 1 minus 20. Next one 1 minus 25 minus 24. 61 minus 25 into 9. 61 minus 45 4. 9 5 is 45 4. 18 plus 4 22. So 6 22 25 61 4 6 164. Okay. Next one, R3. R3 minus 9R1. What is that? R3, 9 minus 9 into 1 equal to 0. Second row, third row, second column, minus 3 minus 9 into 1. See, minus 3 minus 9 into 1, so minus 12. 1 minus 9 into 1 minus 8. 21 minus 9 into 9. 21 minus 81. So minus 60. Minus 60. I am going to transform this 1, 1, 1, 9. Here, what is this? 0, minus 20. These numbers we have to write. 0, minus 20, minus 24, minus 164. Here, 0, minus 12, minus 8, minus 60. Next, see, we can divide this term by 4. This also can be divided by 4. R2 divided by minus 4. R3 divided by minus 4. That time that terms will be reduced. Because why? Because small terms are there, means that the calculation is very easy to us. That's why. 1, 1, 1, 9. Minus 4 means 0. See, minus 4 means minus minus will be cancelled 5 times, 6 times. Here 41. Next one 0, 3, 2, 15. Isn't it? Next, one more thing. This augmented matrix we are going to transform into row echelon form. For that, this term should be 0. Now what I am going to do, R3 minus R3R1. Why? Because in this R1 we are having small numbers. R3 minus 3R1. See here 0 it is coming. Suppose if you are doing means 0 minus 3 it will come. So we can't do this. For that R3 5 into R2, 5 into R2, R3 minus R2, 3 into R2. See, 5 into R3 minus 3 into R2. Minus 3 into R2. 5 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into R2, 0 equal to 0. Here 5 into R3, 15 minus 3 into R2. That time 15 it will come equal to 0. Here 5 into R2, 10 minus 3 into 5 into R3, 10 minus 3 into R2, 18 minus 8. For this 15 we have to find 5 into 15, 75 minus 3 into 41. 75 minus 3, 123. 123. 8, 13 minus 5, 8. 48. Just to transform these things. 0, 5, 6, 41, 0, 0, minus 8, 48. Now we are going to write the transforming what we found the system of linear equations. X plus y plus z equal to 9. This is equation 1. 5y plus 6z equal to 41. This is the equation 2. Minus 8z equal to 48. See here, this term it will come minus. Why? Because here 15. 5 into 15 minus 3 into 41. For this bigger number we are getting the minus sign. So here minus 48, here also minus 48. Z equal to 6. You just apply this Z value in this second equation. 5y plus 6z is equal to 41. 5y plus 6 into 6 is equal to 41. 5y is equal to 41. This plus come to this right hand side, it will change into minus 5. Y is equal to 1. You have to apply x plus y plus z equal to 9. We don't know the value of x. y1 z6 is equal to 9. X plus 7 is equal to 9. X is equal to 2. You just verify. 2 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 9. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 6 9 is equal to 9. So the solution of x, y, z or x is equal to 2, y is equal to x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z equal to r. Thank you.